after Fed FOMC meeting, gold will go next from here, up or down, because all the 5 minute time frame trader, they have sold right at the bottom and bought right at the top, and all the seller who came after NAP number last week gone in just one candlestick after FOMC meeting. According to Powell official statement, they changed their SEP after PPI number. That's mean last few hours, when entire crowd was expecting hawkish Fed right at the bottom. But still, there is a big change between Fed and market expectation. Still, 1973 and 2050 is your major support and resistance. And until clarity come, gold will stay sideways. And when clarity come, who is right, you will see breakout upside or downside. But this 2015 support area is major support level. If this level break out, then first you can expect January rate cut priced out, then March rate cut, and ultimately first rate cut in May 2024, and which can be 1920 price. Because before Fed FOMC meeting and after Fed FOMC meeting, market is still expecting first rate cut in January next month. That's mean in each FOMC meeting until price dropped on Friday on Fed William comment. Because right now they are clearly talking about month name, either March rate cut or May rate cut. I am against in January rate cut, that will be priced out. And another problem is some people are expecting 25 and some are expecting 50 basis point rate cut in March FOMC meeting. While Fed officially said only 75 basis point total rate cut, which can be in 3 part or in one shot, because there is no fixed rule that first rate cut will be 25 or all in one 75. So if price goes below 2015 level, that's mean your rate cut market pricing shifting towards May 2024. Or if you see complete trend top to bottom, then compare September and December SEP, not FOMC meeting. Then that was major change. And officially Fed saying that higher for longer. This can be biggest policy error by Fed. That's why it jumped vertically instantly. But this FOMC was total politics, not monetary policy. This was Biden, not Powell. And to save his election, instead of doing rate cut in 2025, they will start next year 2024. And because of this, everyone will pay huge price after election in 2025. First of all, since beginning of this year, after that strong NFP, we are seeing soft landing. And because of that early rate cut, even if economic indicators show recession, then Fed already saying about rate cut. So again, soft landing for next 1 year, same like last 1 year. And soft landing is varies for gold. And after that, your hard landing in 2025 after election, then you can expect retest of this 5,000 year high. And just to save wider election, Fed is cutting instead of 25 in 2024. This is Not recession, not soft landing, not even hard landing. You can combine all of these things together and say stagflation. Because Fed will cut interest rate after 5% in 2024, but they will hike again in 2025. And since most of the investors soon will be on holiday and nobody in FOMC speech asks question from Fed, what will be consequence of their early rate cut? Because in September they said premature, now they are saying cutting interest rate. Same like I said in past video, real yield will decide rate cut is bullish or bearish for gold. If same to same, like Powell said last week, if real rate decline from here, then gold must go from here. Or if opposite happen, then gold can also come down. So it will be real rate that will decide rate cut is bullish or bearish for gold. First, you have BOJ monetary policy this week, then 21 jobs claim and GDP. And this will definitely change market pricing for rate cut. So strong GDP means gold down and weak GDP means gold up. And your final news on Friday, that is PCE. So inflation goes up or down from here, it does not matter. Same like CPI last week which you saw, these economic indicators are now bearish for gold. Again, no resistance on daily time frame, only support 1973. If rate cut timing shift from January to May next year. On weekly chart, after that quadruple top, after this blue candlestick and one blue candlestick on daily time frame, sentiment are again changing from minus infinity to plus 1. Technically, price can retest 1940 and it can go up again, still that will be uptrend. So this is your major support level. After this week FOMC meeting, if market see rate hike again in 2025, then gold can go back to 1800, super strong support, and to retest 2150, Fed has to do same to same as market saying first rate cut in January. Your monthly chart, I am still saying quadruple top. And since there is a lots of time before next FOMC meeting and this happen all the time, a next rate cut decision will not confirm before next blackout period. And your rate cut in January is completely wrong, that will be priced out. On monthly chart, if you see all the bearish thing for gold, then first price out of January rate cut, and Fed in FOMC meeting said they are still doing QT and soft landing. These three things together are bearish for gold, and that will decide where gold will be in next 15 days, where this month candle will close. This 2039 is your first major resistance. Below this level, we are bearish on gold. For buyer, wait for breakout on retest, then you can start buying. If other FOMC member gave hawkish speech again, like Friday, then it can go down more. And first support 2015. After that, no support. If this level break out, then you can expect bearish gold. And this can be your inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, left and right shoulder, head and neckline. This inverted head and shoulder chart pattern will not work. Bearish below 2039. And if 2015 support level breakout, and if this is a correction, then it can go back to 1930 level. And after breakout of 2015 level on retest, you can start selling.